Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare ginger to store it in the freezer. I buy large bags of it. It's just how it's sold around where I live. It's cost efficient and I've had to come up with a way to store it before it goes bad. Now, what do I use all this ginger for? I typically have a bit of ginger in my smoothie that I make for workday mornings. So let's turn you around and I'll show you what I have on the counter and how I prepare the ginger for freezing. When I purchase ginger, I purchase approximately an amount that would look like this. So I'm going to need a cutting board, a knife, Ziploc bags, and another tea towel. You can use paper towel if you want. Let's get started. I wash the ginger in a colander and I use the tips of my fingers to rub it. But if you want to use a brush, you can do that. Next, I'm going to place the ginger onto the tea towel. I'm going to take another tea towel, place it over top, and pat the ginger dry, and I'll probably leave it a little while. I'm now going to cut the ginger up into knobs. Just toss it in here. I'm going to be sure to cut off parts that I don't want. I don't peel my ginger either. I just leave it as is. So I used to get a sheet pan, parchment paper, place the ginger on top and put it in my chest freezer and let the ginger freeze individually. And then I would put it in a bag. However, I don't do that anymore because I no longer have a chest freezer and this sheet pan will not fit on the shelf of my freezer. It's a very small freezer. I just place it in the Ziploc bags directly after cutting it. Now, I could fit a lot more ginger into this bag, and I realize that, but I'm just going to leave it like that. So this is how I'm going to freeze it. I'm going to put it in my upright, very small freezer, flat, and put one bag in my kitchen freezer where I will use this every week in my smoothies, and that's at least 5 pieces of ginger a week. And I can use it in my cooking. I also find using frozen ginger with a microplane much easier. Anyway, thank you for watching and leave a comment below. Do you buy big bags of ginger? Do you freeze it? Or do you just buy little pieces of ginger as and when you need it? This works for me. Thank you for watching.